crisp and cool out there. The sun looks beautiful. The sky was as blue as it could be. I don't know any more adjectives I can give. It's fall.
I know, it was so pretty this afternoon. I will say this morning, it was kind of cold out
definitely
there.
chilly.
We had some 30s out there this morning, a little warmer along the lakeshore, and it is going to be a cool fall weekend ahead for us. However, it will not be that cold in the morning. It's not going to be as bad as it was today. Our afternoons tomorrow mid to, we'll say mid 60s really, and then more upper 60s on Sunday. And our mornings, again, not as cold as it was today. We should be around 50 tomorrow morning. Now, if you're south of the turnpike, you can subtract like 5 to 6 degrees, but that's still not as bad as it was this morning. Sunday morning, a little cooler across the board. We're going to be in the low 40s in Cleveland, so that means we'll probably have at least a few mid to upper 30s to the south. Few showers around at times this weekend, but it doesn't look like a rain out at all. I mean, these are just going to be really hit or miss passing showers. More cloud cover through the weekend, so really quite fall-like out there, and it definitely feels like fall tonight. Upper 50s. Lower 60s at this hour, 57 in Mansfield. That's one of our cooler spots. Cleveland at 61, upper 50s in Akron, and we are completely dry. Temperatures really not moving too much overnight. Again, we should be around 54 by 5 in the morning. A closer look at next week coming up in just a few.
It's a little cold out there. Have you noticed? I had a jacket on this morning when I went on my walk. Probably could have had a sweatshirt underneath, but I'm like, nah, I'll warm myself up.
Yeah, once you get going, you start walking, then you start to warm up. That's always a good feeling. I know that's going to be me tomorrow in the morning. Temperatures in the 50s, so a cool weekend, but not quite as extreme as it was this morning. I mean, we were below average for sure this morning with those 30s out there. So cool this weekend, but nothing crazy. This was crazy. Last weekend, the average high 85. Remember how warm it was? I was at the lake all weekend. It was so nice out there. This weekend, average high in the mid 60s, so substantially cooler for the upcoming weekend. Let's take a look at future view because we do have some rain chances to talk about, although I'll be honest, they are not very impressive. This is tomorrow morning and the clock is above my head, by the way. We'll have more cloudiness in the area and we could see an isolated shower or two, but do you notice how like little green blobs just kind of pop up here and there? They're not very organized or widespread. That is the radar situation for tomorrow. So the most impactful part of the day for you is just the overall feel of the day, right? Because all day it'll be cool. It won't be raining all day. We're going to be the mid 60s. Some of us lakeshore probably stuck in the low 60s out there. And again, a few spotty showers afternoon into the evening, but nothing organized or widespread. I wouldn't cancel my outdoor plans. I would just be aware that there might be a shower or two. Sunday, we wake up lots of sunshine. It'll be a little warmer. We're going to get in the upper 60s. Some of us may even get into the 70s, but notice that increase in cloud cover through the afternoon, especially east of 77 and east of I-71 through the afternoon. More clouds, a few showers out there kind of popping up here and there, but not everywhere all at once. Tonight, we do have a rain chance, but it's later tonight. I think probably 10 o'clock or so, very isolated and warmer tonight, 51 first thing tomorrow morning. We made it all the way down to 38 at Cleveland Hopkins this morning, which is honestly